If you are looking for a stylish, versatile TV stand that adapts to your lifestyle, the Lamtor dual-use Magic TV Stand delivers big. In just 5 minutes, you can switch between a grounded cabinet, TVs, and a sleek floor-and mount screens, all tool-free, making it a dream for renters or anyone who craves flexibility. The built-in LED system is a total vibe changer, offering 7 colors and 22 effects with voice sync, options for movies, gaming, or parties. The 40-grade swivel mount is a game changer, turning even awkward corners into ideal viewing spots. Add the hidden power hub and storage for your gear, and you've got a stand that's as functional as it is beautiful. Whether you are hosting movies nights, gaming marathons, or just need smart storage, this TV stand packs serious punch in style, tech, and convenience. Highly recommended.